We're always using the world's best materials. We're always having these talks about the latest and greatest materials. We may use a general term like zirconia, but under that umbrella, there's many manufacturers. We always stay within the top 4 manufacturers worldwide, but they're always introducing their next product as they make small changes. One of the luxuries we have is we consult for a lot of these companies, so we get opportunities to try these before they hit the mass market and see what we like and what we don't like. The truth is, every time they make a change, for the most part, those changes are amazing. That's what they do with ceramics. They add in little pieces of things here or there where they can play with the strength, but they can make things look a little bit more lifelike, or they can make those things make a little bit stronger or less stronger depending on what they need. It's always a game between beauty and brawn. So right now, we're using the world's best zirconia product on you. We will then put it in with the world's best #1 cementation techniques. So that's one of the luxuries we know is our material science. Rob and I make a point to make sure we're always on top of the latest bonding agents, cements, and ceramics, because that's all we do all day long. So by the time we deliver something, if I reach for something, at that point, it's the #1 bonding agent, #1 cement, #1 ceramic for that date as we put them in. So always super important for us.